Hey, how's everybody doing? Um, I know some of you are aware. I've been doing some video shorts here, there, but I'm looking to expand, do some longer videos. I've got a ton of projects that I can get into, um, and maybe you can see a little bit of the Mark hitting here, Mark 78. I want to V8 this. I'm close to finishing my coupe, as some of you have seen. I've got 1958 Skagit with a Mercury mark on it that needs to get back on the water, and my 66 Suburban delivery needs some work. The house needs some work. Maybe I'll do some of that. I just wanted to give you an introduction to myself. My name's Jim, known as Pie Wagon. We'll start with getting this shithole cleaned up, number one. Because I got to get the coupe home and I'm going to need a place to put it. So, in the course of doing that, there's a lot of things that I'll be going through. Organizing some tools, getting toolboxes cleared away, getting things cleared out, get rid of a lot of crap that I really don't need anymore. I got a ton of parts that most will be going up for sale. So if anybody's interested, you can contact me through the messaging here, YouTube. I'm sure you know how to do that by now. But this is going to be growing a little at a time, because basically I'm new to all this. Getting the equipment, it's just some cheap stuff that I threw together just to get started. I'm trying to monetize, but I need 1,000 followers or subscribers, and I need 4,000 hours of viewing time. It's funny because they advertise on my videos anyway, but that's here or there. But yeah, we'll probably be starting with getting the coupe home. I'm kind of sorry I didn't make videos throughout the build. 2 years of some pretty neat stuff. I fabricated everything myself. I sublet nothing. It was all done in-house by me. All the fabricating, all the painting, the body work, everything. And that's why I can kick myself in the ass for not recording video of the process. But I did document it on the ham. You could run over to the ham, look at my profile, Pie Wagon, Piewagn, same as here. So if you guys wouldn't mind subscribing, ring the bell, something comes up. I'll put some more information in the description. But it's nice meeting everybody. Come hang out for a little bit, check in once in a while, see if I got anything new. It might be a little bit before I start because I got to gather some acorns for this. But I will be getting into it. I'll be making longer videos, more content, and I really hope you guys hang out and come see what I'm up to. Thanks. I'll see everybody later.